So this is the current plug that goes to the motor, and I will plug in the electric and switch on, and the wire goes like this. It's a little bit temporary, but we'll work on it later. And so the current goes to the button like this, and from the button it goes to the motor, and this is the hydraulic pipe that comes with the machine, and we fit it to the machine, and it goes to the hydraulic that fits under the ramp, and I'll show it later. So I'll press this button and the ramp will be lifted up. Okay, and I will lock in the machine. And I'll press this. And this is the hydraulic. The hydraulic pipe connects with the motor and the hydraulic machine. So I'll press this again. It will be lifted up so that I will cancel the lock.